Hello, all. Welcome to the day 24 of the daily case study series for Cbse Grade 12. The question goes like this: graphs of two functions f of x equal to sin x and g of x equal to cos x is given below. Based on the above information, solve the following questions. First question: in the interval 0 to pi, the curves f of x and g of x intersect at x. So that means sin x equal to cos x. Sin x by cos x equal to 1. That is tan x equal to 1. X is equal to tan inverse of 1, which is pi by 4. So the answer is C. Question number 2. The value of integral 0 to pi by 4 sin x dx is, on integrating 0 to pi by 4 sin x dx, we get minus cos x, and applying the limits 0 to pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4 minus cos 0 minus of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus cos 0 is 1, which becomes 1 minus 1 by root 2. So the answer is A. Third question. The value of integral pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos x dx. Integral pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos x dx. On integrating cos x, we get sin x, limits pi by 4 to pi by 2. On applying the limits, sin pi by 2 minus sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 2 is 1 minus sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So the answer is B. Question number 4. The value of integral 0 to pi sin x dx. Integral 0 to pi sin x dx is equal to minus cos x, limits 0 to pi. That is minus cos pi minus cos 0, which is equal to minus cos pi is minus 1 minus cos 0 is 1, which is 2. Answer is C. Question number 5. The value of integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. On integrating sin x, we get minus cos x, limits 0 to pi by 2 minus cos pi by 2 minus cos 0, which gives us minus of cos pi by 2 is 0 minus cos 0 is 1, which is 1. The answer is B. Let's get back with another case study question tomorrow. Thank you all.